Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this video we're going to talk through cleaning your Panasonic shaver. So I've got here an LV67 model, and we're going to talk through how to sort of clean it on a day-to-day basis, but also do a more thorough clean as well. So the first things first, when it comes to a daily clean, so every time you use the shaver, we're going to remove the plastic cap, and I'm actually going to introduce you to a neat little accessory that should come with your shaver, which is this brush. It's specifically designed to help you clean your Panasonic shaver, and I'm going to explain why and how that is. But first, we're going to remove the outer foil of this shaver just by clicking in these outer bits here, and that's going to remove the outer foil. We're then going to take our brush. You might notice that there are some long bristles and there are some short bristles. We're going to use the long bristles first because those are ideal for getting in these smallest gaps behind your outer foil here to brush away any dust or hair that may have got trapped there on a daily basis. You can also flip this over and brush just anything away from the outer foil bit as well. It's also great for brushing the main body of your shaver, just around there. On top of that, you can also use this on your trimmer blade as well, just to brush away any bits and pieces there. Now, switching to our shorter bristles, which you can also use on the trimmer blade, these shorter bristles are perfectly designed to work with the inner blades, okay? Now we're going to brush very gently, and we're going to brush with the blade grooves, never perpendicular to them because that can damage the blade. So we're just going to really gently brush these through to clean away any hair and dust that can build up after every use. And that's pretty much it. So that's a quick daily clean of your shaver using the dedicated brush. I'm going to put that down now, and we're going to put the shaver back to the way it was. And then we're going to talk about a more thorough clean. And to do that, we're going to head over to the sink to get things started. So when it comes to a more thorough clean of your Panasonic shaver, obviously first make sure it's unplugged and switched off. First thing we're going to do is actually apply a little bit of soap to the blades, the outer foil blades of your shaver. There we go, just a little bit. We're then going to, on the LV67 model, it actually has a dedicated sonic cleaning mode. We're going to press the power button for around 2 seconds, and you're going to hear the motor change tone, and that's how you know it's gone into the sonic cleaning mode. And we're going to turn that on for around 5 seconds. So here we go. There we go. That's now in sonic cleaning mode. I'm going to give that just a few more seconds and then turn it off. Once we're happy with that, the soap has had a really good chance to move along the blades and get in all the nooks and crannies. We're then going to remove the outer foil again, and then we're going to turn the tap on and give the outer foil and the main body a quick rinse. Once we're happy with that, we're going to set these aside to dry in the shade until they're completely dry. So we're going to wait for those to dry. We'll be back in a few minutes. And those bits and pieces of your shaver should now be dry. We've waited a good long while. Don't rush this bit. If it takes a little longer for your shaver to dry, then that's no problem. But once it is dry, simply reassemble it, pop that outer foil back on with those 2 clips. And then the final part of cleaning your shaver is applying the lubricating oil. So you should have with your shaver a little bottle of oil that should come with it. And very, very simply, what we're going to do is unscrew the lid there, and we're going to gently apply 1 drop of oil on each foil there. So we've got 5 to do. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're then going to switch the shaver on just to allow that oil to move along the foils there, get a nice even lubrication along each bit of metal. Once we're happy with that, we're going to turn that off. We're then just going to take a bit of kitchen roll and just mop up any excess bits of oil you see that might have escaped those blades. Once you're happy with that, we're then going to turn it over and flip the trimmer blade up and do the same here. We're going to apply 1 drop of oil there, turn it on again, and again just mop up any excess oil that's spilt. There's a little bit down there as well, just going to catch that, and there we go. We're going to pop that back, and that is a full clean of your Panasonic ES LV67 shaver. We'll pop the cap back on, and that's good to go. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.